So very good evening, all members who are present here. Now, today we are in chapter number 4, module number 11. The name of the course title, Industrial Psychology. So here we are going to discuss about importance of human engineering. What are the common things present in the human engineering in industry and problems related to stress and mental health of employees? What are the various causes, remedial measures? Yeah, so we are going to see as per the sequential plan. So human engineering can be otherwise uh, correlated as ergonomics. So ergonomics can be defined as systems engineering. So how to make a work system more comfortable according to the human wish. So we need to optimize the human well-being and their performance. So how come we can able to make the work systems and environment much better for the human benefit? And it is one of the most important factor human engineering in workplace safety and productivity. Neglecting human factors will lead to increased more stress and mental health problems among employees. So you have to treat the human uh, factors as one of the most important thing in improving the workplace safety and productivity of the organization. Importance of human engineering. Improved safety by considering the human limitations, what are all the weakness present with the human personals, we have to design a system that must be very easy, flexible to use and understand. Human engineering helps to reduce the accidents and injuries, especially in hazardous environment. An increased productivity. When workplaces are ergonomically too sound, humans can able to perform the task more effectively and efficiently with less fatigue, leading to higher output in the work. Enhanced well-being of the employee. A well-designed workplace can contribute to increased job satisfaction, long retainment, reduced stress, and improved mental health. Reduced absenteeism and turnover. Addressing various ergonomic issues can lead to have fewer sick days and a lower turnover rate, which saves the business time and money. We have to give importance for human ergonomics aspects. So change the discomfortness present in the work and try to reduce the number of sick days taken by the employee, and that will reduce the lower turnover rate of the employee. We can able to save the business time and money by retaining the employee skills and talent. Legal and ethical considerations. Companies can have legal and ethical responsibility to ensure the safety and well-being of the employee. The human engineering helps to fulfill these obligations. So development of human engineering in terms of research and analysis. So studying the physical and cognitive abilities of human and the various limitations and behavior in different work settings. So come out with a better solution and try to improve the work system and human interaction in a much better way by increasing the uh, effectiveness in the work system. Design and implementation. Applying basic research findings to design workplaces, equipment, and systems that are more user friendly and optimize the human performance. Evaluation and iteration. Continuously monitor the effectiveness of the work system design and make necessary changes or adjustment needed to further improve ergonomics and user experience. So the next one is what are the various problems, stress, and mental health? First one is poor ergonomics. So inadequate work system design, poorly positioned equipment, repetitive tasks lead to physical discomfort, musculoskeletal disorder, and stress. Workplace stresses, high workload, demanding schedule, lack of control, poor work-life balance can contribute to emotional and mental health problems involving anxiety and depression. Lack of support, lack of resources, understanding and supporting them from management can further exacerbate mental health issues among the employees. So lack of physical support, infrastructure, so that will also lead to mental health issues among the employees. Workload and work-related stress, cause of stress and mental health issues. Excessive workload, unrealistic deadline, too tight deadlines that will lead to stress and burnout issues. Uncomfortable workstations, poor lighting in the work system, doing monotonous and repeated tasks that will lead to mental strain. These are some of the cause of poor ergonomics. Lack of control and autonomy, feeling micromanaged, um, lagging in decision making, autonomy, feeling of powerlessness and anxiety. This will lead to lack of control and autonomy. And poor work-life balance, long hours, lack of time for personal life, difficulty in disconnecting from work due to stress and mental health problems, lack of social support, feeling isolated at work, lacking of having a network of colleagues and experience workplace conflict that will lead to negative mental impact of uh, employee issues. Organization culture, a culture of fear, a lack of open communication that creates stressful environment. So what are the remedial measures to improve these problems? So you need to strongly assess the ergonomic system of the work and make necessary adjustment according to the comfortness. Provide better training and awareness how to overcome the mental health, stress management, etc. Then create a comfortable and supportive work environment that minimize the work-related stress and promotes the social well-being of the employee. Arrange for flexible work timing, offer flexible work schedule, and other arrangements that allow employee to better manage their workload and work-life balance. Employee assistance program, providing access to confidential counseling, mental health support, and other resources to help employees cope up with stress and mental health challenges. Open communication and support, encouraging open communication between employees and management, providing a better space for employee to share the concern and offering support and resources. So with this, uh, I thank each and every one of you. Next, we will go to the chapter number 5, the next meeting. Thank you, one and all.